Hello guys, nandito na naman tayo at gagawa tayo ng famous Moroccan food. It called bagrir. At ito yung kanyang mga ingredients. Naglagay tayo ng yeast. Inihanda natin ang ingredients. 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, at meron tayong 1 cup of white flour, and this is semolina powder. Ayan guys, and 3 cups of water. So let's mix it up. Pagsasama-samahin natin ito, sugar, salt, sorry, baking powder, yes, white flour, and 2 cups of semolina. So let's mix it up well with 3 cups of water. Ito yung famous bagay ng Morocco at so super fluffy and so soft. At kapag niluto ito, hindi na natin i-heat up. So we will wait only to see the thousand holes. May natin siya tawag, thousand holes, honeycombs, and bagay natin. Pinili sa honeycomb. So i-mix lang natin. Hintayin natin siya. I-leave natin siya 30 minutes para mamiyat natin yung mga ingredients. So after 30 minutes guys. Ito na yung na-mixtures natin after 30 minutes. So pwede na tayong magluto. It's perfect. 1,000 holes na. Successful bagrir. 1,000 holes or honeycomb. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.